Hey guys, Abdel Car Fix. I'm doing a knock sensor on this truck. We have a code for a knock sensor, and in this case we do both. We don't do just one because the other one it's a big job, so we don't want to have to go back and do the other one later on. So basically here what we find, the one that was triggering the code, that's what it looked like. Rusted to hell in there, and it gave us a hard time coming off. Didn't want to come out. Where the other one is, this one looks good. It came out easy, no problem, but we replaced both. And this is the part number, guys. Do not use aftermarket. Do not use aftermarket. Use only GMC or GM genuine parts. Otherwise, you'll have to do the job again. I have done that in the past where I use aftermarket and I end up having to do the job a second time. So please don't do that. Buy a bit extra and get GM, and also change the harness. Do not put the same harness back on. Get a new harness. So that's what we did. There's a new harness right here. Get a new harness, a new sensor. Don't change just one, change both. And put sealer. I put sealer on these RTV all around. On the new one, when I hook it up, that way it seals water, because this basically is what happened. The water got in here, you know. So we're gonna seal it. We're gonna I did put the new sensors in. I'm just gonna put RTV all around the hole and then just seal it in there, and that should take care of business. Again, my advice, do not use aftermarket on this, otherwise you'll have to do the job again. And good luck. It's not anybody can tackle this job. I didn't make a video for the whole thing because I don't have anybody to videotape the whole process and do editing for me. I try to make quick videos for everybody to help them out. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.